Hello, my dear friend. How are you? I hope everyone will be fine. Today, I will explain the battling modes. It is the second part of the this chapter, and in the previous video, I will explain its first part. So you will watch out of the previous video of this chapter. Okay. So let's start the video. First, you can see here is some of the hard words like sabotage, it means deliberate damage, and staring means gazed, it means look continue, and then murate means tie to a fixed object on a land. It means something like a boat. You can tie the boat with the help of the rope inside of the river. With the heartland on the heartland, okay, and perching precociously means sitting dangerously, okay, sitting dangerously, okay. So now some of the character I will also explain in previous video. Kuttan, Sukmaran, Vasu, cultural first and second, captain of cultural first, Kuttan father and captain of the culture second is Keshavan father. Okay, so let's start the video. Now, when the both are the friend, both are, it means Kuttan and Sukmaran both are the friend, going in bank of the river and looking many of the lovely scene, and see they also looked the both boat culture first and second, but then they heard a sound of hammering, and after that they become very fearful and hide behind a rock, okay. And after that they looking two person suddenly two person jumped from the culture first, okay, culture first, and then they upping their lungis ye dress that they are in the Kerala side many of the person wore it, and they put on their lungis and running very fast, and they invisible in the dark, okay. Then the two friends Sukmaran and Kuttan stared at once another in a amazement, and it's Keshavan and his brother Kuttan gaps. What they gaps? They gaps that what were they up to do? It means what will be they do there. It means there means in culture first, and then I think it means Sukmaran says that Kuttan says that he says that I think I know exactly what they were doing. Come on, let's go and see. Kuttan paddled dreamily up to the boat. It means both are the person moving and up toward in the culture first, and they wanted to see what will be do both are the person in the culture first. Then they climbed onto the culture first, and Kuttan bent low and examined the side of the boards. It means when the Kuttan climbed on the board, they looking very deeply and examined every side of the board, okay. And when he examined side of the board, the straightening up after a while, he told Sukmaran, it's exactly as I had thought. Keshavan has made lots of the hole at the bottom of the both side of the boat. It means when the Kuttan examined the boat very deeply, he looks that some of the holes found inside of the boat, okay. What is the boat? What kind of the boat? It is the boat of culture first, okay. And he also know that these deeds will be done by the Keshavan, okay. And he also said that Mr. Kuttan said that he is suffered them with the cork so that no one will see till it's too late, okay. It means Kuttan says that by the time someone realized Karchal first was damaged, it would be too late to repair the boat. Okay, when the boat went in the river and many of the person climbing on it and starting the competition of the boating race, then no one pay attention on the holes. Okay, holes that, and these holes covered by the cork. Okay, covered by the cork, so no one pay attention on the cork. Okay, and then what will be happen? Why has they done that here? Then the Sukumaran asked the question, why has he done that? Okay, and he also bending down to examine the hole, in Karchal first. Then so that no one will realize that anything is wrong till it is too late, replied the Kuttan. What do you mean? He Kuttan also regarded the Sukumaran that it is the very serious matter, and when the Karchal first is went into the middle, no one pay attention on the Karchal first holes, wherever that holes was covered with the cork, and it is the dangerous game. Then the Sukumaran also asked, okay, and he asked that what do you mean? Then the Kuttan says that the side have been clearly greased, so these corks will start popping open, and when the boat goes very fast, by then we will be in the middle of the lake. What can we do? Whispered the Sukumaran frightened. Okay, here the Kuttan regarded the Sukumaran that when the boat went in the middle of the river, the cork was the opened by pressure of the river water, and the boat will be full of the water, and it's sink in the river, and that time no one will do anything. Okay, so Sukumaran asked that what can we do? Okay, what can we do? Then the Sukumaran said that we will decide what to do after I tell Achan. Achan means father. Okay, Kuttan wanted to say this all situation and share with their Achan. Achan means father. Okay, and then the two boys paddled silently home to the coconut groves where they lived. It means both are the boys going slowly inside of the river, and they also pass out through the coconut grove. Grove means a large area. There is many of the coconut trees there. Then what will be next? When the Kuttan went to the home, both are the person, it means Sukumaran and Kuttan, both are thought how to repair the boat. Okay, how to repair the boat, and he also take the meal means food in the evening, but they did not share with their Achan and their mother. Okay, then Vasu Kuttan's younger brother sat nearby on her rough grass in urgent whisper, keeping a very eyes of Amma Kuttan told his what they had discovered on Achan board. Okay, they also find the stove sabotage, all the sabotage. It means deliberate damage in the board, but they thinking about what will do. Both are, and where when they thinking about that, his younger brother, it means Vasu, is also sit there, and he also played there and listen carefully all the conversation of the Kuttan and Sukumaran. Okay, and when the Vasu listened this, he wanted to say with, and this whole matter share with his mother. Okay, but the Kuttan did not want it, and he said that speak softly, and he indicate to his brother the instruction to his brother. All the conversation will be silently say with the silently. And as a mama went in, Kuttan suddenly jumped off the swings, tumbling Sukumaran onto the ground. I have thought of a plan, and it will work. I am sure it will. Come on. Okay, when they are laying in the swings, okay, laying in the swings and thinking about that what will we do and how can they repair the boat, the Kuttan jumped from the swings. He jumped from the swing, and he said that no one says to this whole matter with the father and mother. Okay, don't share everything with father and mother. And when he get a plan, when he get a plan, and plan will come in his mind, he jumped from the swings and says that I have a good plan and it will be work, and I am sure it will be work. And he also indicated, also instructed, both are person, it means Sukumaran and Vasu, instructed that let's go. Okay, excitedly he yanked his friend up by the hand, and he also yanked, okay, and it means pull his friend very strongly. The rubbing his shoulder were it had banged on the hard ground, and Sukumaran scolded it was better be good. Okay, and then Kuttan spoke excitedly, the words trembling out fast, and everyone will ready to go inside of the river. Okay, they wanted to reach hurriedly in where the culture first and second are standing. 20 minutes later, 20 minutes later, the three boys set off at a fast pace. Vasu held aloft their lamp to show them a path through the thick jungle of the undergrowth of the tree. It means when they wherever they go, they pass through a thick jungle. Okay, jungle means forest, and it is the undergrowth jungle, and wherever is a many trees, and reaching the place where the charulans were moored. Moored means tied to a fixed object on the land. It means Karchal first and second both are the boat tied to the fixed object on the land. And Kuttan turned to his brother, and Vasu, you climb that coconut tree and keep a sharp look out, whistle once if see anyone coming here from the direction, he ordered. Okay, here the Kuttan take the command, became a captain, and at that situation, and he commanded Vasu that you are climbing over on the long tree, and watch out everywhere. If you see anyone to coming here, then you alert us to making a sound. And what kind of the sound? It will be whistle. Okay, Vasu, you whistle loudly when someone coming from this direction. Clear? And then watch out the Keshavan and Yuni, they might come back to do more damage, Sukumaran said. Then Sukumaran also suggested to Vasu. What he suggested? He suggested that you also watch out that it will be sure that Keshavan and Yuni both are come back to damage more things of the Karchal first. Clear? And then, but I also want, but here the Vasu is not agree to stay there. He wanted to go with the Kuttan and Sukumaran, okay, and he wanted to help them. He wanted to help them, but he said that what he said that I also want to help you on the boats. He also wanted to he also wanted to help them, and he on the boat. This is the best way you can help us, and it is the statement of the Kuttan. Kuttan said that you are doing best, you are doing best, and also helped us by stop here and climbing on the tree and watching the all direction. Okay, it is the great job for you. Then Vasu said that all right with the allegedly a monkey. Vasu climbed the tree in a second, perching precisely at the top. He called out, I can see very well from here. Okay, when the Vasu climb on the tree and watching everywhere, he says to the Kuttan, I am climbing here and taking a seat, and here is the place, we can see everything very well. Then Kuttan also suggested him to don't make the noise and you sit there very silently. Clear? So this is the second part, and I will take the third part of this chapter. Why? Because this chapter is very long, and so you will watch out this video with the patience, and I hope you all understand this second part of the chapter paddling boat. Okay, so thank you for the watching video. Best of luck.